Alrighty guys, welcome back to another Pokemon Go daily adventure where we pop our daily adventure incense looking for a bird. To get y'all caught up, we are looking for a Zapdos and an Articuno. Already caught a Moltres with a Master Ball. Seen Articuno many times and have yet to see a Zapdos. So there you have it, we're all caught up. Stay tuned to the end where I check stats, zeros, hundos, and then I'll show my XP at the end. But yeah, how y'all doing? Hope all is well. We got a Remoraid for our first Pokemon. Fun fact, I just got a sub from Publix. Seems to be my thing. And then I'll put the sub in the truck, as we got a Corsola. I'll put the sub in the truck, and I'm like, let me just go and record an episode real quick. Let me pop my daily, see what happens. Wild Lunatone though. Alright, y'all. Need to see a Zapdos. Like, it's gotta happen. Yeah. Okay. Of course. Oh, man. Don't even get hyped for a shiny Eevee. I mean, I'll definitely take it, but, like, I already have an army of them. Like, a whole army. I mean, alright, bet. PvP stats? Maybe? I'm not even sure. Alright, Wild Remoraid. Can Remoraid be shiny? Surskit, I know you can be. Oh, whoa. Wait a minute. Alright, Surskit down. What's the next one? Come on. Rattata. Yo, why couldn't this one be shiny? This is the one that I need. I don't need no Eevees, man, but it's like, of course, of all the shinies for me to get, I'm gonna get the Eevee. Rattata down. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Let me go ahead and get Mewtwo out here. Alright, we did it. What's up, Mewtwo? Whoa. Hi, Geodude. Jesus Christ, I just walked through like 800 spider webs, yo. I'm tweaking. I feel spider webs. Wild Shuckle. Ah. What is this? A Graveler? Interesting. We'll go ahead and use a berry. Wow, what is back here? You walk down a road you never walked down before in the city. Alright, we'll put this in the trades. Give that to a friend for a free e-ball. Why not? Hi, Paris. Oh, I gotta shiny check all these. We got Shuckle. Did I catch you, Paris? No? Alright. I'll catch you now. Dude. Chinchou. Meowth. Oh, I need this one shiny too. Oh. Why did I get an EV? Oh, I'm so upset. Heracross in the wild. 8.5 minutes left. Where's my spawn? Alright, let me check a ball at the Heracross. Yo, I've been walking for literally a whole minute and wow. Finally, that took forever for you, Wormhole. It took for forever. Take it though. Alright, Wormhole down. Now please, do not take a million days in one to spawn. A primate? Yo, what is with these evolution ones? I mean, I bet. Excellent. Second excellent in a row. Hey. Ghastly. Oh, you're way out there. Hold up. Hold up. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, okay. Five minutes left. Can we get a bird? Please. Geodude. Wild Marill. No shine. Come on, bird. Zapdos. Zapdos, I need you to wake up, buddy. Niantic, we need to talk. Whatever you did with Zapdos on my profile, just enter in the cheat codes, you know. Up, down, left, right, BA. Yeah, all that up, down, left, right, BA. Feebas. No shiny. Okay. Feebas ran from me. It is what it is. Up, down, left, right, BA. LT, RT. XBAY. Something. Yo, what is this? Chinchou. Oh. Chinchou. It's not a bird. Alright. Mewtwo. Are you happy? Yeah, you're happy. Alright. That's all we got going for us right now. Vulpix. It's a Vulpix. Yeah. Wow, random Carbink out here. I'll miss. We ain't gonna talk about it. I mean, it's a bird. 199. I guess shout out Travis Pastrana. Great throw. Alright, last minute and a half left here pretty much. We're getting close here, yo. We're getting close. I gotta catch the Rhyhorn. Gotta catch the Rhyhorn. It's my buddy's favorite Pokemon. Oh, never mind. I tried, bro. Tried. Wasn't meant to be. Oh, whoa. What spawned in? It's Electrike Shine. No. Still don't have you, Electrike. Electrike down. Wild Ghastly out here. Chuck a ball at you. Wild Goldeen, not wild, but off the daily. We got a Goldeen. Now we're straying. We're straying away from birds here, yo. And also, this might be the last. Yep, that's it. 16 Pokemon. Okay. It's not bad for us. We did 907 meters on today's adventure. The highlight will probably be Graveler or the Primeape. Yeah, Primeape. I'm gonna go Primeape. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Let's check stats. Zeros and hundos. No zeros, no hundos. And my XP. 20,620,000. Grinding to 50. Almost through 48. We getting there. Slowly but surely. Shiny check. Oh well. We tried. Poliwag. Remoraid. Yeah. Yeah, that's a wait. Hold on. I gotta remember. Hold on, check this out. Remember when I said I didn't need any more EVs? Like I'm good. I'm blessed with what I got. That's it. That's all I got. Like and subscribe for more though. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to support me and my family in any way, and you like the content and you want to help out, click the first pinned comment down below and come check our merch out. That's it. Like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys have a great day. I shall see you in the next one. Peace. Mewtwo. Peace.